course there is a problem with pollution. Still, there are a lot of products that are sold using plastic and other harmful for the environment materials, and brands can't or seem that they don't really care. I won't say to you to go and create a war with everyone around you, or even your own self, so you won't use these kind of materials anymore. Instead, I want to encourage you to try and see things in a creative and positive way. Thus, this video today is about how I reuse and transform used plastic bottles for my spring garden projects with my sister. We want to start some new baby lettuce and decided once again to use the plastic bottles that we've collected this year instead of throwing them out to end up in a big pile who God knows where it will end up. So the process here is really simple. We just take the bottles, clean them, mark them, and then cut them at the desired length. Then we are going to create some draining holes so our plants, our soil can have drainage so it won't rot due to the no oxygen state. And then we are going to tie them together, put some soil in there, and then we are ready to just plant our little baby lettuces. And yeah, that's it. Right now we don't have the space to plant them in soil or in a garden bed, so pots, especially DIY pots, are our only and best option. Will we produce enough lettuce to make a salad? I reply to you, I have no idea, but we will try our best and we are going to make our environment better, more beautiful and more relaxing. If at the moment you are living in a city like us and have no open space, gardening is such a great hobby, and creating a mini nature ecosystem in your space is something really priceless and everyone should try it. I can't wait to see these little DIY pots get full with roots. And remember, lettuce is really easy to grow. Maybe it is the starter vegetable that anyone can have success. So give it a try and tell me how it goes. And actually there are a lot of things, especially vegetables and herbs that you can grow even inside a small apartment, so you can bring the nature in the house. And we are going to decorate them around the garden. We just decided to hang them at the bottom of a window and they are looking so gorgeous. Do you grow any vegetables as well? If you do, then I wish them massive growth. If you don't, then I guess that I have to encourage you to try it.